Hello, my name is Mark. So we're playing a little bit with fight or flight, trauma, stress, talking with that with my students. One of the things that comes up is sometimes called the Fawn response. So people may be aware of rest and digest, going into fight or flight, eventually into freeze, your basic polyvagal hierarchy way of looking at stress response. However, what is Fawn? So I think of it as a little bit of flight, a little bit of fear, combined with social. So sort of less severe, like green with orange dots in this one. So there's two versions of this culturally that we were just laughing at. Julian, who borrowed my student Julian here from California. So one is the English model, where I'm slightly anxious, I'm trying to be friendly and polite, but underneath that is a little bit of anxiety, terribly sorry. And another version we're looking at is the American model. What's the American?
Being a little bit more closed, but you're wanting to connect, you're wanting to be seen, but underneath, you're actually afraid of being seen.
Okay, so that could be like, hey, I want to connect, but there's a little bit of fear there.
Eyes closed, like, hey, how's it going? Yeah. Smile.
A bit disconnected, or even the sort of bullshitty, inauthentic version that you'll sometimes see everywhere I go. I wouldn't say particularly American, but it's like, oh my God, hi, it's so good to meet you. It doesn't feel totally real, because actually it's not genuine.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Well, you look so great, and I'm totally not actually triggered by this one thing that I was really triggered by. But yeah, amazing. You're great.
So you've got a lot of charm on the top, but something else underneath. Thank you, Julia.